Welcome to Fortune Academy Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Today we will discuss Open Systems Interconnection. The OSI model consists of the following 7 layers. 1. Physical layer. This layer deals with the physical transmission of data over the network medium. It defines the electrical, mechanical, and functional specifications for devices like cables, switches, and network interface cards.
2. Data link layer. The data link layer provides error detection and correction as well as the framing of data packets. It ensures reliable data transfer between 2 directly connected nodes.
3. Network layer. The network layer is responsible for routing data packets from the source to the destination across multiple networks. It determines the best path for data transmission and handles logical addressing.
4. Transport layer. This layer manages end-to-end communication and ensures reliable and error-checked data transfer. It also handles flow control and segmentation of data if necessary.
5. Session layer. The session layer establishes, maintains, and terminates connections between applications on different devices. It allows synchronization and checkpointing of data exchange.
6. Presentation layer. The presentation layer is responsible for data representation, encryption, and compression. It ensures that data from the application layer of one system can be read by the application layer of another system.
7. Application layer. The application layer is the topmost layer and is responsible for providing network services directly to end users. It allows communication with various applications and provides a user interface to access network services.
Each layer of the OSI model has specific functions and communicates with the corresponding layer on other devices, allowing for standardized and efficient network communication. Thank you for watching.